Here's your daily dose of tech for today, bringing you the latest in AI, big tech, and startups. Apple has announced new child safety features coming to iOS 27. These updates aim to enhance protections for younger users, building upon existing tools with new capabilities to detect and flag potentially harmful content. This move underscores Apple's ongoing commitment to user safety and privacy, especially for its youngest demographic.
Google has introduced Litert.js, a new library for high-performance AI inference directly in web browsers. This technology enables developers to run complex machine learning models efficiently on the web without relying on cloud servers. It promises faster, more private AI experiences for web applications and users. Local communities are increasingly pushing back against the rapid expansion of AI data centers. Concerns include massive energy consumption, significant water usage, and the environmental impact of these facilities. This growing opposition highlights the policy and resource challenges as AI infrastructure scales up. Reports indicate a continued toll on former Amazon employees navigating a saturated tech job market following recent layoffs. Many workers face burnout and frustration as they seek new roles amidst a competitive landscape. These ongoing challenges reflect the broader impact of major corporate restructurings in big tech. A leading semiconductor manufacturer has unveiled a new advanced chip manufacturing process, promising significant performance gains and improved power efficiency. This breakthrough is expected to accelerate the development of next-generation processors for AI, mobile devices, and high-performance computing. It marks a critical step in chip innovation. AI has been integrated into a custom vibe-coded augmentative and alternative communication system. This innovative application helps individuals with communication challenges express themselves more effectively. It demonstrates how AI can personalize and enhance assistive technologies, improving daily life for users. A recent analysis revealed issues with an AI code review benchmark, indicating it was perfectly hitting the wrong target. The study highlights the complexities of evaluating AI tools in software development and the need for robust, context-aware benchmarks. This research is crucial for advancing reliable AI in programming. A new JavaScript runtime and ecosystem named Ant has been introduced on Hacker News. Ant features its own JavaScript engine, a package manager, and a platform for deployment. This open-source project aims to offer developers a comprehensive alternative for building and deploying JavaScript applications. That's your daily dose of tech. We'll see you tomorrow.